1.3 billion. How many Jews are all over the world? Who knows the number? The Jews.
25 million?
Alevai, I wish. Do you know how many Jews we have? The Jews, 13 million. 1-3. That's the amount of Jews all over the world. And not only that, the Jews are spread all over the world. 5.7 million Jews live here. 5 lives in America. 360,000 live in Canada. Just to give you understanding about the Jewish family. 250,000 live in England. 43,000 live in Mexico. 40,000 in Holland. Do you know that 20,000 Jews still live in Iran?
Mm-hmm.
Very fascinating. 10,000 Jews live in Switzerland. The problem with the Jewish people is the number of the Jews, instead of going up, are going down. 25 years ago, they made a survey. How many Jews live in America? The number was 5 million. Last year, they published again a survey. How many Jews live in America? The number remained 5 million. So people tell me, Momo, you should be very happy. If the number remained the same, you should be very happy, because everybody knows what's happening today to the families. Families become smaller and smaller and smaller. How many kids we have in families today? Like very little. You know, in Germany, you know what they're doing now in Germany? The federal government is paying every couple who's willing to deliver a child, giving them money. Big money. There are no children there. Mama, look at yourself. How many daughters you have? I have only 2. Now, being 51, I have the wisdom of being 51. I know I made a mistake. It's a little bit too late to change it, but still have to. You know, I would accept this explanation, except I know something else happened. What happened in the last 25 years? 1 million Jews immigrate from the former Soviet Union into Israel. 1 million. Another 1 million Jews immigrate mostly from the former Soviet Union, but also from Iran, from Venezuela, and from Israel into America. So if I take this 1 million new American Jews outside, I will be left only with 4 million old American Jews. And we're missing 1 million Jews. So the question is, what happened to them? Did someone kill them?
Intermarriage.
That's not happening. Yes, we have anti-Semitism, we know. Don Jumi, Kai, and the one I love the most, you know what I love the most? Is this one. You really a Jew? You don't look like a Jew. Who heard this? Raise your hand. No?
I don't know, I look like a Jew.
It's like, this what do you mean you don't look like a Jew? Like, you know, thanks God I don't have hair, so when I can tell every morning, horns I don't have.
You don't have the horns.
I don't have.
No, what happened to them?
You know, take your hat off.
No, I'm covering the horns. I can't take it off.
Okay, so don't expose your horns. From time to time I take shower, I check it whether I have a little tail coming out for me, you know. Like, what does it mean, but you don't look like a Jew? Like, how a Jew supposed to look like? You know, so what should I say? Say. You know, it's a big issue. And you know what happened in New Jersey, that 2 weeks ago, someone in a cemetery, they violated 250 stones, broke, and in Chicago, someone covered 70 memorial stones with swastikas. The word is crazy. The word is stupid, crazy. But nobody killed the Jews. Anti-Semitism, yes, nobody killed the Jews. So that cannot be the explanation where these 1 million people go. Let's look for another option. Did they immigrate to Israel?
No.
Well, unfortunately, the answer is no. I must tell you the truth. It's me, Momo, personally, not Birthright Israel. It's me, Momo. I have a dream. And my name is not Martin. My name is Momo. It starts with an M. Not the same, you can tell. I have a dream. I want to bring 1 million young American Jews to live in Israel. You know why? Because at least in one thing, you guys by far better than us. You're much, much more polite. We Israelis are not polite. I admit. I know. We're not polite. And I give you 2 examples. You know, you take Israeli and American to a McDonald's branch.